Hello friends, thank you for coming back. I did this painting the other day and I thought, you know what? We're going to do one like this today. I hope everybody's doing well. I already painted my canvas all black. And when you do paint it, you can go like this, like X's. But as long as you seal it going this way, it'll be fine. This way you can get all that black inside the canvas. Okay. That's the brush I used. Well, here we go. All we need is some white paint. I have my sponges. Okay, make sure that they're nice and damp and ready to go. Okay, that's all we're going to do. All right. There you go. I have my angular brush. Okay, we're going to start right from here. Now remember, with an angular brush, if you press down heavy, it will be fatter. And then you can do lighter. And now let's do a twist. See how I twist that over? Again, up and twist. This side will be going this side. Up and twist. Up and twist. Okay, great. Looks great already. Now, this brush that we have here, okay, this is called a flat wisp, W-I-S-P. Looks like it's got little teeth. Okay, so this has got that damp. We're going to come in with some white. This is why I like that, because it really will spread your white apart when you do the leaves. Start here, flip, 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 and go longer on the end. Beautiful. Flip, flip, down, and flip down. Beautiful. Alright, just a little dab. Here we start on this side. Down. Beautiful. I love this brush. Really makes the leaves look beautiful. Come in, down, down, and make the bottom longer. And then you just come up, round that off like that on the top, round this off, come straight up here. This is the quickest video we'll probably ever do, and it looks so beautiful. Really lovely. Really, really lovely. It looks so lovely. Now, I have a small sponge. You've seen this in my other video. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to dab that into some white. Make sure it's not too wet. There you go. I dab that. I'm going to make it really small to make it look like the moon is way in the background. And that's the trick. Give it a little twirl. Oh my goodness, the texture, beautiful. Loving it already. Love it, love it. Now, this is all we do. Do you have a toothpick? Alright, grab some white, dab, and watch. Perfect little stars. Perfect little stars. You don't want them too big. Maybe one there, one up there. Friends, we probably did this in 5 or 6 minutes. But not counting you doing your painting. Okay, so I hope you had fun. I had fun, and don't forget to put your initials like this on the bottom. Now, if you want to, say, do some grass white coming up, use your angular brush and bring it up like that. Or if you want no stars or little stars, again, it's a little toothpick. Just so perfect. The moon is small because it's in the background. If you wanted mountains, come up with an angular brush like this in white. It would look really cool. Friends, I had a great time. This is so beautiful, and I'm sure yours is, and it's putting a big smile on your face. And thank you again, friends. Thank you for tuning in. I really, really, really enjoy my time. Well, this is a silhouette of a palm tree with a moon with stars in the background. Thank you again, friends, and can't wait for our next video. All right, have a great day, okay? Bye-bye.